All right, I'm the flatratemaster, and today we're talking about should you update your scan tools every year or twice a year. All right, so if you have a scan tool, you know updating gets expensive, especially when you have multiple tools like I do. I'm sponsored by OTC. They update the tool for free, but my Autel and my SnapOn are not. I have to pay for those updates. So, do I pay for updates every year? It depends. Here's the thing about scan tools. Back in the day, SnapOn, with the red brick, they charged you double if you didn't update. They kind of had you by the, Nowadays, as long as your dealer's not a, he's going to just update it for the normal regular fee, whatever scan tool you have. So it's not really a big deal to skip so much anymore on those. Now, like the Bosch and the Autel, the penalty is if you don't keep it updated, the warranty expires. Meaning, that's a lifetime warranty on my Autel, lifetime warranty on Bosch. If you keep it updated, you keep the subscription active, battery goes out, VCM goes out, it blue screens on you, or whatever an Android device does, they're going to fix it for nothing. They're going to fix it under warranty. So that makes it a little harder nowadays because, well, scan tools break. My SnapOn is not updated to current at all. I don't have a SnapOn dealer anymore anyway, so I can't update it if I wanted to. But because it's gone to a second line tool for me, I have no intention of updating it even if we do get a dealer. Why? Because I don't use it that much. I go to the Bosch or the Autel way more often. I know some of the comments are going to be lighting it up on that, but I like the Bosch, and the Autel is the Autel and comes in really handy when those two tools don't do what you need to do. So should you update? To maintain a warranty, definitely. Definitely you should keep spending out that money, unfortunately. Keep it updated. Another reason you should update your tool often is depending on your workload. Now we've had vehicles come in here, pretty new vehicles that we needed to do rear brakes on. And if we didn't have an updated tool, we couldn't have done that job. So it gets kind of critical depending on what you do. If you're working on 5 to 7 year old vehicles exclusively and you don't see a whole lot of 17s and 18s, you're probably fine not updating like a SnapOn where the warranty doesn't matter on an older tool. But if you are seeing those 18s and 19s, or you're at a dealership where the factory tool may not be easily available, I would definitely keep the tool updated. But it's important to spend your cash wisely because, $1,200, I think $1,000, $1,000 adds up pretty quickly. I mean, that's another scan tool right there in updates. Understand if you don't have to update, you don't have to update because, the features you're going to get on an update, they might add a few features for older vehicles, but chances are it's all just going to be new stuff. So keep that in mind when you're pricing out doing an update. Sometimes it makes much more sense to wait a few years. For a Veris Edge, to wait a couple years, I mean, you could buy a Autel for the update costs for just waiting, 3 updates. I mean, yes, I know you can buy the last update right before the new update comes out and you get the U update free, but I'm just saying it's important to understand that, you got to do what's best for you in your situation. There's no carpet statement on what you should do. Don't spend your money wisely and don't update, SnapOn. Thanks for watching. I am the the Flat Rate Master.